Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2026 Ford F-150 and I will show you how to enable or disable the Wi-Fi. This video should apply to F-150s made from 2021 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. On the main dashboard screen, tap Settings. Then you want to tap on Connectivity, and here at the bottom it's Wi-Fi, and here you can enable it or disable it. So if it's grayed out, that means it will be enabled. I will not disable it, but this is how you do it. And mostly when you need Wi-Fi, when you want to update your sync software, so the best option is to connect to your local network or your phone network and just update everything you have. And then even if you don't want to have it here, you can just turn it off. You can always see available networks in your area, so you can hotspot from your phone, connect the vehicle to it, update the software, and then you can safely just turn it off. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.